Hi future engineers, I'm Engineer Raymart Bonete, also known as Engineer Prof PH, a mechanical engineer, educator, and a content creator. In this video, we are going to learn on how to utilize Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition in solving problems in statics of rigid bodies. The 5 forces shown act at point A. Determine the magnitude of the resultant force. To determine the resultant force using Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition, first, press mode 2 complex. And as we can see here in our problem, the force 25 newtons is 0 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis, and the 30 newtons force is 30 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis, and we have the 45 newtons force that is 30 plus 30, which is 60 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis, and we have the 60 newtons force which is 30 plus 30 plus 30 or 90 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis, and we have the 85 newtons force which is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, which is 120 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis. Then make sure, so after you press mode to complex, make sure that the calculator is in degrees mode. So press shift mode 03, which is in degrees. The resultant of these forces is equal to the sum of the components of each force. Perform this method using Casio fx570 ES+. So 25 newtons, shift angle 0 degrees, plus 30 newtons, shift angle 30 degrees, plus 45 newtons, shift angle 60 degrees, plus 60 newtons, angle 90 degrees, shift angle 90 degrees, plus we have 85 newtons, shift angle 120 degrees, then press equals. These values are the x and y component of the resultant. To get the decimal form of this answer, press SD. Then remember these values in order for us to input it to mode 1. So press mode 1. Press shift pol, then input the components of the resultant. So that is 30.98, shift comma 187.58. Then press equals. You will get the resultant of these forces. So R is the resultant of these forces, which is 190.12 newtons, and this angle here is the direction of this resultant force with respect to the positive x-axis. So that's how you solve this problem using your Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned on how to utilize your Casio fx570 Plus 2nd edition. See you on our next video.